Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, January 15th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I don't want to complain. It's just you can look here in the chart and see how, like, what do we have? For the last 5, 6 days, the Dow has really had a fairly constricted range compared to what we were seeing earlier this month, and uh, that generally means lower volume, and our trades just aren't as big as they are when we get real strong, high volatility. And of course, if we have low volatility, we may not make as much, but we don't lose as much either. So I don't know if I should complain. Actually, the trend in the Dow is up, although it's kind of just creeping. Today it made 153 points. Not too bad there. We closed out positive just over $3,700. So nothing great there, but it's positive. We got into 14 positions, quite a few positions, and we're holding positive $4,600 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So that's not bad either. We just have, smaller numbers, but they're positive, and I'm not going to complain about them. We're halfway through the month of January, and we have positive $97,000 in profits for the month so far. So, that's great. We could end the month tomorrow and I'd be happy. But we'll see if maybe we can keep going and add some profits to that. I sure don't want to subtract any profits. We'll just have to see what happens. But it's just kind of not as interesting trading as I've been used to recently with extreme volatility that we have been seeing in the past several weeks. Anyway, okay, as far as what to show you, I don't have a whole lot to show you. I'll show you a couple of the good trades. But again, these are not huge dollar volume trades. This first one is GBT, which is Global Blood Therapeutics. A couple of days we had a trade here where you can see this. We bought it midday and got out pretty good the next day, and we took about $2,000 out on that. Today we got into Global Blood Therapeutics again. Looks about the third hour there, and I really like the close on this. It closed right absolutely on its high there, and we have $1,500 positive in GBT. So that looks real good. I'm hoping that'll pop up again tomorrow. Um, this is another just kind of so but positive trade. This is Labu. This is our biotech bull, and anytime biotech does good, we're probably going to do good because we have a lot of biotech stocks in our portfolio. We got a little trade back here a couple days in Labu, and you can see this thing popped up very nicely. We got almost a high tick of the day there. We took $1,000 out of Labu. Today, it opened lower, but then started rallying, and about the third hour we got into it, and this Labu also closed on its high. Very nice close there, and we have $1,600 positive in open trade equity in Lebu. So that's the way it was. Quiet but profitable day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.